Welcome, I am Gabrielle, and hey y'all, if you are back for more. Today's video is a collaboration video with a couple beautiful ladies. I will have them linked down below, but here is a little roll call for everyone. We have Heidi from Scooby-Doo Mom of Two. We have Jessica from the Mumford Mob. We also have Mercy from the Davis Family Adventures and Maria from the M&M family. Definitely go check out the videos afterwards. I have baby girl with me. Brothers are watching a movie right now, so I was just wanting to get this filmed because I'm so excited. It's been sitting on my little desk in my room, and I've just been like, I need to look and see what's inside and who my secret Santa was and everything. Also, I'm just so grateful for these channels as well as the whole YouTube community. They have been super kind. Just, I don't know, I just really appreciate everyone's comments, everyone's likes, everyone's just interacting with me on Instagram as well. So if you're not following me on there, definitely go check that out. I had posted two polls and asked, should I get a haircut? Should I get a haircut? And my hair guy finally was available. So I took the first appointment that I could and got this new do. But let's get into this. To make this extra not know who this is from, I put post-it notes on the package. I know that it's probably gonna make a lot of noise, so I'm gonna put it right now. We're in my daughter's room, and I will be having a video very shortly up of the reveal of this transformation, and it was a doozy, but there was a lot of DIY stuff, so that kind of put a little delay on the creation of all of it. But I am loving how it is looking, and I can't wait for you guys to see that. So let's hop into this. What is this? What is this, baby girl? Let's see if I can open it. Oh my word. Okay, so disclaimer. I sent the email out and had everyone fill out a little questionnaire of likes and things, just to get a better understanding of what you would possibly want to get. So it's not like they were going in blind, not knowing what to get. So I wanted to share that. And yeah, so let's get into it. It has all this pretty pink, it looks pink, yeah, pink crinkly paper. I am loving that. That is so fun. Okay. Oh, she wrapped it up. How fun. This is a cute little, that's so cute. Let it snow. All right, well, I hope she left a card in here, because I'm curious as to yeah, I personally love this twinkle stuff. It is so fun. My boy is this will be great for crafting or doing something fun, so I'm so excited. Ooh, it's a mini stocking. Oh my goodness. I'm a huge hot chocolate lover, so these little stir sticks are so fun. Oh, this is dark chocolate coated peppermint cookie stir. Oh my word, this is so cute. I'm really excited for this. I was actually thinking of making hot cocoa today. Or tonight. It's nighttime right now. Man, she got a lot in here. I love face masks, and if you don't do this already, put them in the freezer, and I pull them out right before, or I'll ask Michael to get it for me if I'm already in the bath, to give it to me, and then it just feels so refreshing and cooling on your skin when you have it. And this one is watermelon. I'm so excited. I love face masks. Thank you so much. I'm so curious who this is from. What is this? Oh my goodness. I love, this girl is speaking to me completely. This is dark chocolate sea salt look at that packaging. Like, that is beautiful. As a designer, like, I totally love package design. That is really pretty. So pretty. You can see it without the ring light. There's just really bad lighting in here, so, and it's like evening-ish time. I want her in the frame because she's cuter than I am. Aw, a gift card. I'm curious if, no, she didn't write anything. Okay, am I supposed to literally just guess who this is from? Yeah, I don't think she wrote it. No, she didn't write anything. Okay, well, that was super nice. So she wrote it on here. Okay, there's nothing. Literally, it is a secret. Okay, let's see another note. Okay, so if I were to guess, I'm going to think that this is from, I think Michael just got here. I'm going to think this is from Maria. I think I'm going to say Maria. So I'm going to see who the address is from and see if I can guess. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I know that she's the only other California person and her address is on here. So I guessed right. I'm so excited. Thank you, Maria, so much for all this. It was so cute and I'm like so excited to go shopping. I just want to thank everyone for watching, and I hope that you definitely check out everyone else's video. This is just, I'm so touched by this community, and honestly, with everything going on in the world and everything that's been going on with Michael's health and just our personal lives, I have just been on next level, like more appreciative of little things. And friendships are so important, and just surrounding yourself with people that are positive and keeping you uplifted, leaning into the word has definitely helped me a lot. And just having that community in my fellowship time has been crucial in just me developing as a better mommy, a wife, and a friend. So I hope that you enjoyed this little secret Santa that we did. And until next time, y'all, have a good one. Bye. Can I say bye? Can I say bye? What are you looking at? Are you looking at the crinkle paper? Bye.